For one leadership course, I would put the students in settings where they would have to discipline an employee because he's doing forklift races in the warehouse. And all of this is from real-world experience. Okay, my name is Fabian Marks. I am a professor at Humber in the Faculty of Business, and I teach a variety of marketing and business courses at Humber. I play soccer, I play golf, I love sports. I've played sports all my life. A lot of my work experience has been in international marketing. I worked for a company called Unilever for about 13 years, and they moved me around quite a bit. So I spent quite a few years in Jamaica, a few years in the Dominican Republic, a few years in Mexico. When we returned to Canada, I joined Scotiabank. I believe that the work experience that I have has helped me to become a better professor. I would like you to tell me a brand that delivers a high-quality coffee experience. I taught online when I initially started part-time. I worked so hard over the spring and the summer. I did almost every course that Humber had to offer. And that prepared me so well. All the work is on Blackboard. The classroom setting is for online activities and engagement. And they come to class because they are getting their assignments done in class, in groups. And that way they get to meet people and they get to enjoy the experience as well. So let me tell you what product positioning is. Your product I see the students as my customers. I try to deliver great learning, great experiences, because I want them to not only to learn the material, but I want them to enjoy it.